Hello and welcome to the first video on constructors. What I have here is I have my class that I had before. Here's my class definition right here, my class color. And I have private, these three members, the R, the G, and the B. What I have public is a method, a function, that has exactly the same name, the same identifier as the class. Okay, and notice that this function right here, or this method, it doesn't have anything that returns. There's no void or anything in front of it. What I have in here is I'm setting the value of R, G, and B automatically to 255, and I just have an output here just to show you that it does that. Now you might say, well, what's going on here? Whenever I have a class that has a method on the inside of it of the same name as the class, this is called a constructor. It will run automatically. Constructors run automatically whether I want them to or not. And you might say, well, why would you want that? Well, in this case, let's say most of the time that I set up colors for my game, the R, G, and B are always 255, 255, 255. So instead of me always having to type that in, 255, 255, 255, it does it for me automatically. So a constructor is a method within a class that executes automatically whenever I instantate the class. Like, here's the name of the class, and here's my object that I made. All I have to do is just make the object. I don't have to do anything else. Notice there's nothing else down here in main, and it will make the constructor happen. So let's go ahead and try it. I'm going to go ahead and compile this dude here. So far so good. And I come here, and lo and behold, there it is, red, green, and blue. And I didn't have to do anything. All I had to do was just make the object. As soon as I create the object, bang, the constructor fires in. Now you might say, well, this is great if everything's going to be RG, and B are always going to be 255. But what happens if, suppose I want to change the color of R, suppose I want to change the color of green, and so on. Well, yes, you can do that, and there's a different way of doing that with constructors, and that will be on our next video, and it's called constructor overloading. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.